Welcome to qnawire.
So now we're going to work on problem 58 from chapter 13. In this problem, we're discussing dilutions. So we're given an initial or a concentrated value for volume and molarity, and then we're given a final or diluted value for the volume, and we need to calculate the final concentration or the diluted concentration. So whenever we're dealing with dilution of solutions, we need to remember M1V1 equals M2V2, or expressed slightly differently, M concentrated times volume of concentrated solution is equal to concentration of the diluted solution versus times the volume of the diluted solution. And in this case, in both part A and B, we're calculating the concentration of the diluted solution. So that, if we solve for that, it would be M concentrated B concentrated over the volume of the diluted solution. So let's go ahead and look at part A. We want to calculate M diluted. The concentrated concentration that we're given is 0.240 molarity. The concentrated volume we're given is 78.0 milliliters. And then the volume of the diluted solution is 0.250 liters. Now, we need to have a unit agreement here. We see we have milliliters on top and liters on the bottom. So the way that I'll do that is simply by multiplying by the factor of 3 to cancel out milliliters, so we have liters. So the milliliters will cancel here, and liters cancels here, leaving us just with molarity. If you want to go ahead and change 78.0 milliliters to 0.078 liters, you can do that as well. The final concentration that we get after we do this dilution is 0.0749 mNaOH. So in part B, we're given a different scenario here. We're talking about nitric acid in this case. We're still calculating the diluted concentration. So the initial concentration is 1.2 molarity. Initial volume is 38.5 ml. Again, if you want to do in one step, you could change to 0.0385 liters by dividing by 1,000. And then we have the final volume of 0.130 liters. We multiply by our unit multiplier. We again get milliliters and liters to cancel. And we get a final concentration of 0.36 m of HNO3, or nitric acid.